Hi, Professor Nusa. This is Bartholomew, and I'm doing my presentation on BizSkills Academy. I'm doing a market research to identify opportunities for joint venture partnership in the West African market. So, with a rundown of the things that I've done so far, I've been able to identify the key people that I need to include in this research for either the interview and the survey, and these are the people that I've identified so far. They are the major participants. Initially, we thought of doing the research in Ghana, Nigeria, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Gambia, and Cameroon. But as time goes on, we have zoned in to focus on only in Ghana and Nigeria. Some of the things that I've done so far, I've been able to identify the key ministries, departments, and agencies, and the people to interview. And out of that, I've been able to identify 3 ministries in Ghana and 8 departments and agencies that will participate in the interview. I've initiated contact to get these people interview, and I've also drafted my questionnaire to be used to steer the interview conversation based on the key factors identified. The outcomes that have come so far, I've been able to get 20 startup founders, both in Ghana and Nigeria, to participate in the interview and survey. So far, I've been able to interview 5 of the startup founders in Ghana on qualitative data. And in a coming week, I'll be sending a 15 survey to another group in Ghana for the National Board for Small Scale Industries. With the ministries, so far I've been able to interview 3 people under 3 agencies, and I'm still having 6 people on the list to confirm their date and their time, so that I'll be able to interview those people as well. I have some list of principals for technical and vocational education schools that I will be interviewing. And I will be sending a questionnaire to some startup incubators and accelerators in Nigeria, also to participate in the survey. The challenges that I've encountered so far has to deal with how to overcome the gatekeepers, the time zone conflicts, lack of contact in some of the places that we wanted to conduct an interview, and having difficulty in accessing the right information about the entrepreneurs and startup founders to ensure that the research outcome is more accurate in terms of the data that will be collected. With the way forward, I'm looking forward to initiate a point of contact through the Chamber of Commerce in these countries to facilitate the conversation. And I'm also trying to shift a gear on changing the time zone for my own comfort in order to do some of the interviews between 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. Canadian time. And with the interview as well, I've decided to shift gear on that to reduce the time to from 30 minutes to 25 minutes maximum. And I believe that as soon as I do consistent follow-up, I'll be able to get some of the appointment secured, and I'm also expanding the scope for the survey to get at least 100 samples for this survey. So this is the breakdown for my research. Thank you.